Hello and welcome to BMET. Today I'll be showing you how to upload documents to the Pre Enrol Portal. There will be a range of documents to upload, such as proof of ID and evidence of exam certificates, income, residence, benefits and learning loans. Please be aware, this guide is for those who have already completed the pre-enrollment process. If you are yet to do this, we have another useful guide available to help you with this process. A link will be in the description. Firstly, navigate to the BMET website. Next, click on the My Documents link at the top of the page. This will take you to the Pre-Enrol portal. From here, log in with the email and password you used when pre-enrolling. If you have forgotten your password, select the link below and you'll be asked to enter your email address. This will send a link to reset your password. Once you have logged in, navigate to your name in the top right-hand corner. This will open up a drop-down menu. To upload documents for evidence of benefits, income, residency, certificates, ID or learning loans, select Manage Documents. If you have your exam results slip and are required to enter these, select Qualifications. On both pages, navigate to the blue Upload button. This will open up a pop-up and require you to select the type of document you are uploading. Once selected, press Choose Files, where you'll be able to upload evidence. Please be aware that only the following types of files are allowed: PDF, JPEG, JPG, and PNG. Press Attach. Once uploaded, you will see a list of various documents that you have uploaded. You can repeat this process for all different types of evidence. Thank you for listening, and we look forward to welcoming you to BMET soon.